Hello guys, this is me and I just want to welcome you in a new fresh video. In this video I have found that multimeter hacks. I was trying to fix my multimeter because it was showing wrong value, and I found that my this one multiplug is also not working. So I had just opened some screws of my multimeter. You can also just do it at home. When I was trying on the beep of my buzzer of the multimeter, I found some hacks. Today I'm gonna just share you some of the hacks. Just one hack, simple hack. With the buzzer of this multimeter, I had opened all the screws, and you just need to connect it to the diode mode, diode testing mode, or you can just put it to continuity mode. Anyway, this is gonna work. Right now this is off, and just need to put it to continuity. See, this is the back face of the multimeter, and now just the problem of my multimeter was that it was not working. It was not working. See, listen, it didn't made a beep. It just shows some number. It should have shown some light at here, and also should have produced some beep. But it did not. It is just showing some number. So now just putting it at a continuity, we need to just put one at here, positive one, and see, this makes sound. Actually this is not the real hack. If you put it one, you can see the another frequency of sound when you put the negative one into it. I hope that it may not get any kind of copyrights or strike. Just enjoy the music. You can also try this at home. I enjoyed a lot doing this, and this was found mistakenly, not by estimation. This I found by doing some tests with my multimeter. You can also just try this at home. It's so fun.